Hi there, and welcome to Dundee and the Open Change offices. As part of the first pioneering cohort for the Service Design Academy, some participants have been given the chance to take part in a series of masterclasses so they can gain a hands-on experience of user research methods. Today, Mike Press and Hazel White of Open Change have been introducing observational research methods to the group.
No, actually, the ones each side of the road are quite different. The ones further in the city centre are a bit more complicated, etc. A railway station is a transport interchange, a bus station is a transport interchange. Depends where you want to go. One you want to go to the station. Go for a complicated bus stop.
Come back, how you're going to describe it and what are the kind of insights that you've made? Yeah.
After being split into teams, the groups have been asked to go out into the streets of Dundee to find out about two more topics: transport and healthy eating.
We're on a service safari and we are looking at public transport. We're going to go along to the Overgate where there is a plethora of bus stops on either side and around the corner as well, to observe people's interactions with bus stops, how they use them, the area and various things around that, and have a coffee and develop our ideas on what we've heard and reflect on that. Come back and give a wee presentation.
Get to understand the Dundee transport system.
We all get to understand that. Cool, enjoy. What are you doing?
Water bottle.
Okay, how are you getting on?
Yeah, it's interesting that so that one there in Premier, they had a £1 zone and it was full of loads of juice, not one bottle of water. But there was a bottles of water more for under £1 over in the water section. But it's interesting that they were advertising it not in the pint zone, which I thought was quite interesting.
We also have to find someone to fill up this bottle
Wait.
free, so that'll be
Got your
a bit of a challenge.
After an hour of observing on the streets of Dundee, the groups have returned to Open Change to reflect on their findings and to prepare a short presentation.
Things that we noticed were so many bus stops. There wasn't really any user info sign. No, there was no ticket information to upsell. So even on the large board.
Monopoly is there on. You start there, you're there any. It's a legal requirement.
It's a legal requirement for most and for businesses, I think.
Authorities maybe will go, or some people perceive that it's quicker to get the information from the man operated, so they will queue there.
Left there, looked at the time, but 5,441 steps. Yeah. Came back to Open Change, and then just bit the bottom of the read it out.
Congratulations on the Design Award 2017 Best Small Project Non-Domestic Award.
To learn more about the Service Design Academy, visit sda.ac.uk for more information on how you can apply.